I'm a millwright apprentice here at Eclipse Automation.
I work in the electrical shop as an apprentice.
And I'm a fabricator.
I'm a general machinist apprentice.
I'm an apprentice here at Eclipse Automation.
For my trade, all of our stuff is going towards automation. So being here at Eclipse, where you're building the brand new stuff, get to see how it is put together, how it's designed.
It's always something new and different and exciting. There's always new machines out on the floor, new technology, and you just get to learn about all of it firsthand.
When I was looking around for new jobs, a lot of people wanted 2 years experience or 3 years of experience. The fact that Eclipse was looking for new people that they could shape and mold into someone their own was what attracted me.
Well, I actually worked at Eclipse as a shipper receiver, and when I seen how they treated their employees, I realized I want to work here for a long time, and that's when I started thinking about an apprenticeship.
Here you're dealing with new machines all day long, the new and latest technology. You get to be the first one to experience some of it and learn new skills all the time, because technology is changing all the time. So you get to see the cool stuff right up front.
Everyone here is super willing to help and hand out their knowledge, and super helpful with learning new tasks and figuring stuff out.
What I like about fabricating is you got to take pride in your work. They'll give you a drawing and a pile of parts, and you got to make it function and look good.
It's different every day. You come in here, some days you'll be on the machines, some days you're integrating, you're troubleshooting, some days you're building.
You're not only here to do one designated task all the time. It changes from day to day, no matter what your job title is that you could be working on a medical job one day and then be right into automotive the next day.
How everything is always changing and different. There's always something new going on that I can work on.
My favorite thing is actually wiring stuff out in the field, like on the floor. It's a lot of there's different tasks, so you get to experience a lot and you get to learn about different machines.
You get stuck in your head as an apprentice that when you're an apprentice, you're only going to be doing certain duties. Where here, you get a chance at everything and get to just experience it with the journeyman all the time. All different trades, everything, all the time. It's just more of a learning process here, I find, than if you were at, say an industrial plant where you're only doing maintenance for my trade.
I'm better on hands-on than learning out of a textbook. So it's a lot easier for me to learn here, and I've learned a lot more.
Go up to someone, they have no problem teaching you, and they're all very helpful, very friendly. Lots of the guys here, very experienced, and they're more than willing to share their knowledge with you.
I would say one of the biggest benefits of working at Eclipse is the amount of people you have to learn from. You're not just learning from the same 2 or 3 people.
No matter what trade you're in, you can talk with anybody in the shop, and if you ask a question, they have no problem helping you out.
I've learned quite a lot here at Eclipse, especially through the apprenticeship.
Just go for it. At first I was very nervous to join even a co-op program in high school because I didn't know what it was going to be like, but it's worth it to get the experience.
Don't be afraid to jump right in.
Jump in with both feet.
I say go for it, jump right in, it's worth it. You'll learn lots and you'll have a career at the end of it.
Don't think that you're going to be just stuck to one thing at all the time. You're just going with an open mind, taking all the knowledge you can.
I'd recommend Eclipse for an apprenticeship because of the diversity of the work we do here.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Came in here, with minimal skill set now, with the confidence to go in here on your own.
I just had known about this apprenticeship earlier to be able to start it earlier.
I would recommend Eclipse Automation for an apprenticeship program. They treat me very well here.